Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving into something pretty incredible from Microsoft research called AutoGen. So, if you've ever thought, man, I wish my AI assistant could do more, or if you feel like you need a whole team to get a complex job done, then this is definitely for you. Let's jump right in. Seriously, just stop and think about that for a second. What if, instead of having one single general-purpose AI, you could actually build your own dream team? You'd have an AI that's a brilliant coder, another one that's a ruthless bug tester, and maybe even a project manager AI to keep them all on track. That's the powerful idea we're going to unpack today. So, okay, you've got this amazing team of AI specialists. What do you need next? Well, you need a manager, right? Someone to hand out the assignments, make sure everyone's talking to each other, and check the final work. And that, in a nutshell, is what AutoGen is. It's the manager for your AI team. Now, let's get the official textbook definition out of the way. Microsoft calls it an open-source programming framework for building AI agents and facilitating cooperation among multiple agents. Now, the words you really want to latch onto there are facilitating cooperation. That is the secret sauce. That's the magic of AutoGen. So let's just cut through the jargon. What does this really mean for you? It means you get to be the director of your own AI-powered workshop. You assemble the crew, you give them their roles, and AutoGen provides the framework for them to work together seamlessly. It's all about creating a team that can solve problems that a single AI would just give up on. All right, so how does this actually work? How do these different AI agents coordinate with each other without getting in each other's way? It's not like they're just dropped into a group chat and told to figure it out. No, there's a really sophisticated system running under the hood. Let's take a look. This right here is the engine room. Think of asynchronous messaging as your team's internal Slack or email system. They can send messages and updates without having to wait for an immediate reply, which keeps everything moving. Modular means you can swap agents in and out like Lego bricks. Don't like your coding agent? Fine, plug in a new one. Observability is like having a project management dashboard where you can see the whole conversation and workflow. And with cross-language support, you can have a team member who speaks Python working perfectly with one who speaks .NET. It's incredibly flexible. Okay, let's paint a picture to make this super clear. Let's say you have a big idea. Build me an app that analyzes stock market trends based on the day's financial news. You give this task to your assistant agent, which acts like a team lead. It breaks the problem down. It says, okay, first we need something to scrape the news headlines. It then assigns that job to the code writer agent. That agent gets to work, writes the code for the scraper, and hands it back. The assistant then reviews it, integrates it, and moves on to the next piece of the puzzle. It's a proper professional workflow. All right, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds amazing, but do I need to be some kind of coding genius to use it? And the answer is a huge, resounding no. AutoGen was actually designed to be accessible, and there are basically two main doors you can walk through to get started. So on one hand, you've got AutoGen Studio. This is your no-code visual playground. You can literally drag and drop different agents, tell them what to do, and connect them to build a workflow, all without writing a single line of code. It's perfect for just trying things out. Then, for the developers out there, you have the command line. This is where you get all the power and flexibility to build truly custom, complex applications right in your favorite code editor. Now, this is really cool. One of the best features of AutoGen isn't in the code itself. It's the people. Because this is an open source project, you're not just downloading a tool and being left on your own. You're actually joining this huge worldwide community of builders, thinkers, and problem solvers. And that community is your support system. If you get stuck, you can jump into the Discord server and get help in real time. You can explore everything on GitHub, read tutorials on the blog to get new ideas, and you can even give back by helping fix bugs or writing documentation. You're never really alone when you're building with AutoGen. So when you boil it all down, what's the big takeaway? It really comes back to this quote from the creators. AutoGen lets you build AI apps that can either run completely on their own, fully autonomously, or, and this is the really exciting part, they can work alongside humans. You can build an AI team where you are the most valuable player. So there you have it. We started with this simple idea of an AI team, and we've seen how AutoGen makes it a reality. It gives you the power to build a specialized crew of AI experts to help you code, research, design, whatever you can dream up. So the only question left to ask is, what team will you build? If you want to learn more about awesome AI tools like this one, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more AI explainers.